How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Various Technology. If you have a Nintendo Switch and you want to either factory reset it to sell it, or it's just running a little bit slow and you want to reset it and it's just a factory fresh install of the software, in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. So first things first, you want to make sure that your game cartridge is out of your Nintendo Switch. So right now this one does not have it in. So obviously you want to close the software and then take out your game cartridge. The next thing you want to do is take out the micro SD card, the memory card if you have it. So what you want to do is actually power the system off before you do that. So we're going to go ahead and just hold the power button just right here at the top for about 3 seconds. And there we go. Now it's going to pull that little option up and then it's going to go power options. We're going to tap that and then just go click on turn off with your A, completely powered down. Then we're going to turn it around and go right underneath the little kickstand area right here. Pull that little kickstand up. And then you've got your memory card just right in there. Your memory card, to take it out, all you need to do is just press down on it, so towards the kickstand, and it will click right out. So we're gonna press that and then it clicks right out and we can just pull it right out. So we're good to go. And then we can go ahead and turn our system just completely back on. So go ahead and hold that power button down and let your system completely start back up again. And one quick thing before you restart the reset process, you want to make sure your battery is completely charged, because you don't want the reset process to start and then your battery to die. So I would recommend charging your battery up 100% before you do the reset process. And now that our system started back up, we're just on our regular screen right here. We're going to tap the home button 3 times and go back to the main menu. And then we're going to just go right over to the system settings icon right there. And we're going to tap A on that. And then we're going to go all the way down to system. And then we're going to go all the way down to the bottom to formatting options. And then we're going to go down to initialize console. So this is, it does say right underneath, delete all data from system memory. So we're going to click on that. We just want to delete everything off here. So there's instructions on here. So if you want to make sure that it's basically warning you that it's going to delete everything off your console. So if you're okay with that, all your memory, all that's going to be gone. So we're going to click on next. The console will attempt to connect to the internet to unlink any Nintendo accounts. That's perfectly fine. So that's good. It's going to erase your Nintendo account. So we're going to click on next for that. And it's going to go connecting to internet. And once console has been initialized, any data deleted during initialization cannot be recovered. Do you want to continue with this process? So yes, we want to completely erase all the information for saved games, our account, everything off the device, and we're good with that. We're going to just tap on the initialize, then it's going to pop up with that. Do not touch the power button. So definitely do not turn the power button off while this is deleting everything, because it's going to screw up your console. So it's got a little bar right there from 0 to 100%. It gives me a 7-minute counter. So we're just going to let this go. We're going to speed this process up and we'll get back to it right when it's done this process. And we are at 99% of the reset process. Let's go ahead and see what happens once it's done. It says system initialized. And now we are just going to power it on for the first time since we've done the reset. And it should be all factory fresh and new. We'll go ahead and double check that before we continue here. So it says Nintendo Switch, and it should be just powering right up. There we go, our Nintendo Switch sound and everything. Good to go, and there we go. So now it's letting us select English as our language, and it is fully factory reset. If this video was helpful, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.